सब रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रहा? अच्छा बोल।
Surah Al-Hujurat, the Chambers. This surah was revealed in Medina and it has 18 ayat. It is narrated from the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that the reward for reciting this surah can be compared to 10 times the number of believers and disbelievers on earth. Imam Jafar as-Sadiq has narrated that those who recite the surah will be counted from among those who visited the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Writing this surah and keeping it in one's possession makes the shaitan run away and acts as a protection in times of war and unrest. If a pregnant woman drinks water in which the surah has been dissolved, then both herself and her child will remain safe from danger, and drinking this water also increases breast milk in a breastfeeding mother. O you who believe, be not forward in the presence of Allah and His Apostle, and be careful of your duty to Allah. Surely Allah is hearing, knowing. O you who believe, do not raise your voices above the voice of the Prophet, and do not speak loud to him as you speak loud to one another, lest your deeds become null while you do not perceive. Surely those who lower their voices before Allah's apostle are they whose heart Allah has proved for guarding against evil. They shall have forgiveness and a great reward. As for those who call out to you from behind the private chambers, surely most of them do not understand. And if they wait patiently until you come out to them, it would certainly be better for them, and Allah is forgiving, merciful.
O you who believe, if an evildoer comes to you with a report, look carefully into it, lest you harm a people in ignorance, then be sorry for what you have done, and know that among you is Allah's apostle. Should he obey you in many a matter, you would surely fall into distress. But Allah has endured the fate to you and has made it seemingly in your hearts, and He has made hateful to you unbelief and transgression and disobedience. These it is that are the followers of a right way by grace from Allah and as a favor, and Allah is knowing, wise. And if two parties of believers quarrel, peace between them, but if one of them acts wrongfully towards the other, fight that which acts wrongfully and returns to Allah's command, then if it returns, make peace between them with justice and act equitably. Surely Allah loves those who act equitably. The believers, brethren, therefore make peace between your brethren and be careful of your duty to Allah, that mercy may be had on you. O you who believe, let not one people laugh at another. People perchance they may be better than they, nor let at other women, perchance they may be better than they, and do not find fault with your own peace, nor call one by nicknames. It is a bad name after faith, and whoever does not turn these it is that are the unjust. O you who believe, avoid most of suspicion, for surely suspicion in some cases is a sin, and do not spy, nor let some of you backbite others. Does one of you like to eat the flesh of his dead brother, but you abhor it? And be careful of your duty to Allah. Surely Allah is oft returning to mercy, merciful.
O you men, surely we have created you of a female and a male, and made you tribes and families that you may know each other. Surely the most honorable of you with Allah is the one among you most careful of his duty. Surely Allah is knowing, aware. The dwellers of the desert say, we believe. Say, you do not believe, but say, we submit. And faith has not yet entered into your hearts. And if you obey Allah and His Apostle, He will not diminish aught of your deeds. Surely Allah is forgiving, merciful. The believers are only those who believe in Allah and His Apostle. Then they doubt not and struggle hard with their wealth and their lives in the way of Allah. They are the truthful ones. Allah of your religion, and Allah knows what is in the heavens and what is in the earth, and Allah is cognizant of all things. They think that they lay you under an obligation by becoming Muslims. Say, lay me not under obligation by your Islam. Rather, Allah lays you under an obligation by guiding you to the faith if you are truthful. Surely Allah knows the unseen things of the heavens and the earth, and Allah sees what you do.
Sadaqallahul Aliyyul Azim. Allah
Sadaqallahul
Allahul
Aliyyul
Azim.
Azim.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.